Good morning, second PC students. Today we are going to the next problem in exercise 10.3. Up to 11th problems are completed. Next to 12th problem. What is the problem? If a bar dot a bar is equal to 0 and a bar dot b bar equal 0, then what can we conclude about the vector b bar? Then what about conclude the vector b bar. So two conditions are given: a bar dot b a bar is equal to 0, a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Then what about vector b bar? What is the vector of b bar? So solution: given a bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Actually, in the dot product in the vector definition, mod a bar dot a bar is equal to mod a bar whole square is equal to 0. Mod a bar whole square is equal to 0 means mod a bar is also 0. Mod a bar also 0. So mod a bar is equal to 0 means a bar is also 0, 0 bar and 0 vector. A bar is a 0 vector. So next second one, what is second one? Now a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. So a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. In the first condition, a bar is equal to 0. So 0 bar, a bar is equal to what? 0 bar. 0 bar into b bar is equal to 0. So 0 into anything, 0 into anything equal to 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into any vector, 0. So what is b bar vector? So b bar is any vector. B bar is any vector. 0 vector. 0 into anything equal to 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So B bar is the 0 vector or any other vector with non-zero vector. So B bar is a any vector. Next 13th problem. The 13th problem, very important one. A, B, C are unit vectors. For the given data, if A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors, such that A bar dot B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Unit vectors and A bar plus B bar equal to 0. Find the value of A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. Very important. CET bit also important. Okay. So what is the condition given problem? A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vector means what is the definition of unit vector? Unit vector means magnitude equal to 1. No. So since mod A bar, magnitude of A bar, magnitude of B bar, magnitude of C bar is equal to 1. No. Because the A, B, C are unit vectors and A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square. 0 square is equal to 0. So what is the A plus B plus C whole square formula? a plus b plus whole square is equal to a square. A square is nothing but mod a square. Okay, what is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square formula. So a square is nothing but mod a square plus mod b bar whole square plus mod c bar whole square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus 2 into b bar dot c bar plus 2 into c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Already 0 is there. So magnitude of a bar is equal to 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. 2 common, 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Next one, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Finally, a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to, this is plus 3 goes to right side minus 3 by 2. This is very important problem, don't neglect them. Next, 14th problem. If either vector a bar is equal to 0 or b bar is equal to 0, either vector, any one of a bar and b bar, any one, a bar b bar 0, then a bar dot b bar is also 0. They a bar dot b bar equal, but the converse need not be true. Converse means reverse. Converse need not be true. So justify your answer. So converse is nothing but left to, we have to prove left to right, at the same time left to right, right to left also. A is equal to b, for example, a is equal to b, so b is equal to a also. A is equal to b, this is the left to right, right to left. B is equal to a, this have proved it. Already one side is given. What is one side? If either the vector a bar b bar 0, then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Okay, a bar dot b bar is equal to 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ? a ಬಾರು or b ಬಾರು 0 means this a bar dot b bar equal to 0. a ಬಾರು 0 ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, b ಬಾರು 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 and ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ನಾ. ಸೊ a ಬಾರ್ 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ a ಬಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ b ಬಾರ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, b ಬಾರ್ 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ a ಬಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ b ಬಾರ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್. ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್? a ಬಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ b ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, a ಬಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ b ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0, ದೆನ್ a ಬಾರ್ ಇದರ್ a ಬಾರ್ b ಬಾರ್ అంటే a ಬಾರ್ ಡಾಟ್ b ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಗ a ಬಾರು b ಬಾರ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಲೆಟ್ a ಬಾರ್ a bar is equal to I plus j, b bar is equal to I minus j. So a bar dot b bar is equal to I plus j into I minus j. How to find out dot product? How to find out dot product? I 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So a bar dot b baru a bar dot b baru 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ a ವೆಕ್ಟಾರು ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ a ಬಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ b ಬಾರ್ a ಬಾರು b ಬಾರ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು 0 ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, 0 ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು a ಬಾರು 0 ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ, b ಬಾರು 0 ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್, a bar is a non-zero vector, b bar non-zero vector, so a bar dot b bar also 0 vector. So what is the meaning, what is the conclusion? A bar dot b bar is equal to 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ a ಬಾರು either a bar equal to 0 or b bar equal to 0 ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. అంటే a ಬಾರು 0 ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ అనేది ಕೂಡ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು 0 ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ either a dot bar b bar is equal to 0, then need not be either a bar is equal to 0 or b bar is equal to 0. Okay, clear? This is the problem, 14th problem. Next to 15th problem. If the vertices a comma b c of a triangle abc, which one? 15th problem. Given, which one is given? Vertices, a vertices 1 2 3, b is equal to minus 1 0 0, c 0 1 2 respectively. Find angle ABC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC is nothing but angle B. Okay. Angle ABC. So in the triangle, angle between the vector B bar, which term B bar? BA bar and BC bar. Angle between these two vectors. Angle between the which vector? Find the, so angle, find angle ABC. Angle ABC means BA vector and BC vector. First we have to find out BA vector and BC vector. First BA bar is equal to, this is BA bar. BA bar is equal to, this is first to BA, this is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 into I plus y2 minus y1 into j plus z2 minus z1 into k. So what is x1? BA. So B is x1 y1, BA, okay na? BA is x1 y1, A first one x1 y1 z1, second point A point x2 y2 z2. So x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, x2 minus x1, x2 is 1, x1 is minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus y2 2 minus 0 into j plus z2 minus z1, 3 minus 0 into k. So BA bar is equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. Next, mod BA bar is equal to root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 4 plus 9 root 13. 4 plus 4 8. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 9 17. 9 plus 4 17. Mod BA bar. Next, BC bar. BC bar means the first point B point x1 y1 z1, C next point x2 y2 z2. BC bar formula, same formula, x2 minus x1 into y plus y2 minus y1 into j plus z2 minus z1 into k. Formula, vector joining the 2 points formula. So x2 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1 into I, y2 1 minus 0 into j plus z2 2 minus 0 into k. So 0 plus 1 is equal to I plus j plus 2k. This is BC bar. Mod BC bar. Mod BC bar is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. That is equal to root 6. Next, BA bar dot BC bar dot product. BA bar dot BC bar. BA bar is equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k dot BC bar I plus j plus 2k. So dot product. This I component, first I component, second vector I component. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Next 2 into 1 plus 3 into 6 plus 3 into 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 6. That is equal to 10. 2 ones 2, 2 4, 4 3 into 2 6 10. So the angle between BA bar and BC bar, the angle between BA bar and BC bar is cos theta is equal to the angle between, this is A bar, this is B bar. Cos theta formula, A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. So BA bar dot BC bar by mod BA bar into mod BC bar. PA dot BC is equal to 10 by mod BA bar is equal to root 17 into mod BC bar is equal to root 16. 85, 95, 102, 17, 6, 102. So cos theta is equal to this one. So theta is equal to, angle between means theta is equal to cos inverse of 10 by root 102. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 10 by root 102. This is the 15th problem. Next, 16th problem. Show that the points A given, A point A 1, 2, 7, B 2, 6, 3, C 3, 10, minus 1. Collinear. The given points are collinear. Collinear means what? in the first year in the three-dimensional geometry, sum of the any two distances equal to the third distance is collinear. Same procedure. Or direction ratios. Solution. AB is equal to, formula, three-dimensional, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, the distance between the 2 points, formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So that is equal to root of x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1, 1 square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 2, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square, that is equal to root of 2 minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, 6 minus 2, 16 plus 3 minus 7, 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4, 16. So that is equal to root 33. 16 plus 16, 32 plus 1, 33. BC is equal to, same formula, BC, 3 minus 2 whole square plus 10 minus 6 whole square. Next, minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. So that is equal to root of 3 minus 2 whole square, 1 square 1, 16 plus 16, that is equal to root 33. AB, BC, AC or CA. So that is equal to root of AC, 3 minus 1 whole square plus 10 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 7 whole square. So that is equal to root of 3 minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. 10 minus 2 whole square is equal to 8 square, 64. Plus minus 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 whole square is also 64. So that is equal to 128, 132. So that is equal to root of 128, 132. 132 is equal to 4 into 33, 3 fourths, so 12, 3 fourths, 12, 13. So 4 into 32 is equal to 2 root 13. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. So AC value, so AC is equal to 2 root 13 is equal to AB is equal to root 33 plus root 33. Root 33 plus root 33 is equal to 2 root 33. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. Hence A, B and C are collinear. Okay, ABC are collinear. Next, 17th problem, show that the vectors form a vertices of a right angle triangle. So this problem also same to the in problem number. Right angle triangle means also distances, AB distance, BC distance, same as it is A, B, C in the 17th problem. AB, BC, AC also find out. So distances, sum of the any two distance equal to third distance. So in the right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to bhuja square plus bhuja square. Okay. So last 18th problem in our exercise. If A bar is a non-zero vector of magnitude A, A bar is a non-zero vector of magnitude A. A bar is a which vector? Non-zero vector. That A bar vector magnitude is A. So mod A bar is equal to what? Small a. And lambda is a non-zero scalar, then lambda a bar is a unit vector. Lambda a bar is a unit vector means, so lambda into a bar is any unit vector, means that unit vector has magnitude 1. So lambda into a bar unit vector means this is lambda a bar. So modulus of lambda into a bar is equal to what? Modulus of lambda modulus of a bar is equal to 1. So in the options, so lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to minus 1, a is equal to lambda. So mod lambda is equal to mod a bar is equal to a is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to, so a is equal to 1 by lambda. Once again, okay, options are there. What is the option? First option, lambda is equal to 1. Second option, lambda is equal to minus 1. Third option, a is equal to mod lambda. Fourth option, a is equal to 1 by mod lambda, this one. So a is a non-zero vector of magnitude, a bar is a vector, non-zero vector, that magnitude is equal to a, so this one. So lambda into a bar is a unit vector, then what is lambda? Then what is a? So unit vector means what? Magnitude is equal to 1, lambda into a bar is equal to 1, modulus into lambda a bar is equal to modulus of lambda into modulus of a bar, modulus of a bar is equal to a, so a is equal to 1 by lambda. So fourth option is correct. So exercise 10.3 completed. Tomorrow, cross product of the two vectors. So how many types? Two types, dot product or scalar product, and second one is cross product. Tomorrow I will discuss the cross product of the vector. Okay, in so many examples are there in our textbook, examples are there, so we have to do.